The Rod Thunder is an air-launched cruise missile (ALCM) under development by Pakistan. The missile was first tested in August 2007 and its current status is unknown. Rod, HATF-8, Type Air-Launched Cruise Missile, ALCM, Place of Origin Pakistan Service History used by Pakistan Air Force Production. History Manufacturer Air Weapons Complex, AWC, Unit Cost Unknown Specifications Miss 1100 kg Length 4.85 m Diameter 0.5 Warhead Hay, Nuclear, Conventional Engine Turbojet. Operational, Range, 550 km Speed Subsonic. Launch, Platform, Combat Aircraft. Rod is developed by Pakistan's Air Weapons Complex and NESCOM. The missile's current range is stated to be 350 kilometers. The missile uses stealth technology, has a range of 350 kilometers and is designed to carry conventional or nuclear warheads. As per media reports, the missile has features including low-altitude, terrain-hugging missile with high maneuverability. The missile would probably be tasked for precision attacks on high-value targets including command centers, radars, surface-to-air missile launchers, ballistic missile launchers, and stationary warships.